So, hi, welcome to Food and Whatever. Once again, it's me, Christina, your host. You are probably wondering why am I sitting in a chair with just a microwave right behind me? Well, they sent me to Albany, Georgia to work. So I'm gonna be living out of a hotel room for about a month and a half. I'm gonna miss you, my family. Anyway, so I gotta get kind of creative with how to do this cooking show. I have a microwave, and on the opposite side, which you cannot see, I have a mini fridge that is probably up to my knees, so it's not the greatest prediction as to how to cook. So today I am going to try to cook for you some Chinese Lomein with just one microwave. I went ahead and went to the grocery store, got myself a little half carton of eggs, tiny little one, because it's just I don't have room in my little tiny fridge. Dollar store, I got some plastic bowls. This is my ice bucket, no ice. I'm going to use this to drain the water out of the pasta. I got the eggs that I'm going to be scrambling already cracked. Soy sauce from the Chinese restaurant down the street. And your chow mein stir-fry noodles. I went ahead and cooked them already in the microwave. It's going to take about 7 minutes or so, give or take, depending on the power of your microwave. I'm right now letting them sit in hot water so they can get a little bit more cooked while my vegetables are being cooked. Once I have its vegetable medley right here, I went ahead, you don't have to buy that brand, but I went ahead and had it cooked so I wouldn't have to spend so much time cooking everything. It takes about 5 minutes for those. So while that is cooking, I'm going to go ahead and scramble the eggs. And yes, I'm going to be here for about, I'm scrambling eggs, about a month and a half. So I'm going to try to come up with some recipes that you guys can cook if you only are in this situation with just one microwave, no stove. So my mind is going a little bit haywire as to how I can cook some food. But I think I got some food down. I can make breakfast. I can even make brownies. I said brownies in your microwave. So that will be coming up to you sometime soon. So my vegetables are almost done. Once they are done, free spoon from downstairs, continental breakfast, people. Once my vegetables are done, I'm going to throw in my eggs. I'm going to let them cook, and then I will scramble them after they are break them up once they're cooked in there. So I don't need a spoon. I can go get an extra one. You don't want to get sick. So my vegetables are almost done. My noodles are almost done. And all I need to do is throw my eggs in there. So let's go ahead and use the handy dandy ice bucket. And I'm going to go ahead and drain this without burning myself. Hotel little towel, great little thing. It's okay because they come and pick it up in the morning. You see, vegetables are done. And I'm sorry if I'm kind of not trying to phase you right now, but I can't. The microwave's in the opposite side. You guys are great. By the way, you guys are responding to my shows where you guys rock. So I got the eggs in here. I'm going to give them about 30 seconds to cook. And I'm going to continue draining my pasta. And I am in a chair, so I don't have to stand up. So we're going to go ahead and drain all that water. Be careful that you do not burn yourself, like I just did. Go ahead and drain all that good stuff. There we go. And my eggs are almost done. So let's go ahead and take out the eggs. and continue to scramble them a little bit more. Continue to cook them. Add another minute. Add 1 more minute to it. So we are going to go ahead and drain these real quick. And if anybody has any suggestions for me to cook in a microwave while I'm here for about a month and a half, please do send me some recipes, because I don't want to be eating out, and I gotta get kind of creative with my mind when it comes to food. Alright, so my pasta has been completely almost drained. My eggs are almost done. I'm gonna have a little bit more water in there. Alright, so all that is done. I'm gonna move this to the side. I am going to go ahead and add my vegetables that are done. Put them into my pasta. Go ahead and add my soy sauce, 3 packets from the Chinese. Add it in here. And be careful as to how much soy sauce you put. Remember that soy sauce is very salty. So if you put way too much soy sauce is going to be a little bit too salty. Plus your vegetables are going to have some of the seasoning, because that's the kind I bought. Alright. So my eggs are scrambled. Scrambled eggs out of the microwave. Yes, people, it can be done. I'm going to add the eggs. I'm going to stir everything. Pasta, vegetable, eggs. I'm going to stir everything very well. And when you are in a situation, you got to get creative. All this also costed me less than, I think it was less than $10. So we are going to go ahead. Dollar store, folks. Dollar store is a major factor, because I'm going to be out of town. Away from my normal kitchen and away from everything that I can cook with, like a stove. So now we're going to go ahead and taste this sucker. I'm always dropping food, aren't I? Alright, so we are going to go ahead and taste this like I always do originally. Add some more vegetables. Alright, you got a beautiful plate. You got your vegetables. The soy sauce is mixed in. You got your noodles. You got eggs. You got microwave made in a hotel room. Lomein. Yes. Alright, time to taste this. And that's not bad at all. So that's a dish I don't have to go buy and spend some money on. Anyway, so this is your episode for Food and Whatever. Thank you for watching. And me and my temporary microwave in my temporary home will be coming at you with more recipes. And as always, always hit me up on Facebook. Hit me up on YouTube. Spread the word. Give me all the comments that you want to give me. They are very, very helpful. And as always, have fun and enjoy.